Wow, what an impressive sight. Crush it. Join me on a daring adventure where danger lurks. Starting with a Cat D6 tractor with a 500 horsepower engine crushing a house at the landfill. The violent rumbling creates a loud noise, easily breaking down the old structure, showing off its superior power and impressive performance in a harsh environment. It's amazing how dangerous the excavator flips. Soon after, the Komatsu PC-8000, with its powerful 2,500 horsepower engine, along with the advanced Mammoet low-floor lifting and moving system, created a flexible and efficient solution. The machine is easy to operate on any terrain, meeting all work requirements quickly and accurately. Oh my god, it was terrible. The 220,000-pound crane with its powerful engine and huge horsepower suddenly fell while loading the train. The heavy crane crashed down, causing a terrible scene at the construction site. In the modern forestry world, giant machines are gradually replacing human labor, opening a new chapter full of challenges and drama. The adventure in the deep forest is no longer just a hardship, but a journey to conquer advanced technology, overcome difficulties, and exploit resources effectively.
That logging truck isn't light and the road doesn't look friendly at all. Hopefully the driver has some snacks.
Faced with the harsh challenge of the terrain, the heavy-duty truck, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, struggles to overcome the slippery red clay hills. When carrying a large volume of logs, the dangerous terrain makes the challenge even more serious. The power of the vehicle and the driver's skills are tested to the utmost in this situation.
Take a close look at this muddy situation. It seems like the truck decided to leave a little something behind for the cameraman to handle.
In harsh conditions, the Caterpillar D9R, with its powerful engine and up to 410 horsepower, is like a heavy warrior fighting fiercely. It digs and bulldozes the ground with brutal force, creating a thunderous sound, demonstrating its relentless superiority. If you are interested in these modern machines, don't forget to leave a like. Witness the advancements in heavy-duty industry. The 8,000-gallon water tank system pulled on the Cat 621F scraper is a clear example. 1,500 GPM pump system, Berkeley hydraulic drive, and flexible nozzles provide optimal performance. Flexible nozzles, combined with modern control panels, create the pinnacle of technology. Next up was the KAMAZ truck, with a powerful engine and 400 horsepower, which got stuck in deep snow. To rescue it, the T4 tractor with 500 horsepower and two lash trucks worked together to pull it up, demonstrating the perfect combination of power and technology. The Terex Heavy Equipment Rescue Winch, equipped with a 600 horsepower diesel engine, operates strongly in all conditions. With the ability to pull and lift large loads, the winch ensures the rescue process is fast and safe, overcoming all challenges.
Looks like success. Can you disconnect everything, or you should be able to pull it?
Powerful specialized trucks with high-power engines and superior horsepower easily transport dozens of cars. With high load capacity, they operate effectively in all conditions, providing maximum stability and precision. Can't miss the Dirty South Edition heavy-duty log truck, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, traversing the challenging muddy terrain. Special suspension and tires help the vehicle move steadily, carrying large loads without obstacles, ensuring maximum transport efficiency. It's incredible to see it side by side with the world's fourth largest truck, the Komatsu 980E. With its powerful engine and outstanding horsepower, this truck can carry up to 880,000 pounds in one direction. Equipped with radar and GPS systems, it easily locates its location in the mining area. Have you ever seen this modern technology? Trimble GCS 900, combined with K-Tech Scraper, uses advanced GPS control system. With powerful engine and superior horsepower, can this machine improve accuracy and increase productivity in excavation and leveling projects?
خلاص نزل.
Yemen drilling rigs, with powerful engines and huge horsepower, are moved by a specialized operating system. These giant machines easily cross the sea, ensuring safety and efficiency during movement, preparing for oil and gas exploitation activities. In harsh snow and ice conditions, the machine with powerful engines and impressive horsepower was used to transport the 160,000-pound LLC heat exchanger heat recovery unit. Specially designed, the machine ensures maximum performance, durability to overcome the challenges of extreme environments. Thanks to the outstanding power of a 300 horsepower engine, the Cat 390F LME is equipped with the oiled Quick 120 system, easily dealing with hard foundations. Every powerful blow from the excavator makes the work fast and efficient, demonstrating the perfect combination of technology and power. Who could imagine a special convoy of trucks, each weighing no less than 726,000 pounds, carrying 1,000 cubic meters butagas tanks, moving so skillfully? With powerful engines and huge horsepower, these vehicles overcome all terrains, ensuring safe and efficient transportation. Wow, the world's largest wheel loader, Laterno L 2350, with a powerful engine and 1,000 horsepower, was pulled by Triton Transport Service. The sight was unbelievable as the giant excavator moved with ease and impressiveness. In snowstorms and rough winter roads, heavy trucks get stuck in the ice forever. With powerful engines and superior horsepower, bulldozers and excavators help clear snow, overcome harsh challenges, and get heavy vehicles back on the road. To meet the demanding requirements of the job, transporting the Plainmore Trans-Montana cable car with a coil weight of 143,300 pounds was an incredible challenge. To accomplish this task, powerful machinery with high-power motors and outstanding horsepower had to work in perfect coordination, ensuring absolute safety and precision. In the world of heavy industry, the power of machines is undeniable. The AWR CAT 390F LME, Liebherr R974C HRD long front, and Hitachi ZX 870 LCH demolition machines boast powerful engines and outstanding horsepower. These machines create a formidable force, easily conquering any difficult demolition challenge. It is impossible not to be impressed with the working capacity of the Placer Tire PM 1000 URM derail pull. Equipped with a 500 horsepower engine, the machine is working efficiently on the rails. With its powerful horsepower, the machine helps improve the quality of the railway, ensuring that the work is done quickly and accurately. Unique rubber truck track system for tractors and tandem trailers offers flexible customization. Equipped with a powerful engine with 500 horsepower, this system helps the vehicle easily overcome any harsh terrain. With a special groove design and anti-slip pins, it ensures outstanding stability in all conditions. If you love this journey, don't hesitate to leave a like or a subscription and continue to the next video.